Hi, this is Natasha Copeland, and welcome to my channel where makeup is a passion and beauty is contagious. Today I'm going to be revealing my Ipsy box. I'm level 2. I forget what they call level 2, but I'm level 2. I'm not level 3, I'm not level 1, I'm level 2. And in this week's box, we get Cryo Activating Hydro Gel. I think I picked that out. Maybe not. And it's the ittse eyeshadow quad, the Evolue skincare hydrating serum. Now I'm pretty sure I jacked that name up. And then we have I picked the Tarte. We have the Tarte Double Duty Beauty Shape Tape setting spray. I sure been getting a lot of setting spray in the last few months, but I'm gonna use it because I like to variate. All right, and then we have the Lllamasqua liquid eyeliner. So let's start off with the palette. Cute. This looks so cute. Wow, it's stuck in there. All right. It kind of puts you in the mind of a Natasha Denona palette cover. That's what it puts me in the mind of. Maybe it was copying her. Alright, it only has 4 shadows in her. Wow, this big old thing for just 4 tiny shadows? Are you for real? Look at all that empty space. You could have filled that up with some eyeshadow, baby. That's just a waste right there. I don't know what to think. The covering was cute, but when you open it up, it's so depressing. It's a big letdown. It's a big no. A big Natasha's no. Well, I will try to find pleasure in it some kind of way. Alright, we have the Evolue. I don't know how to pronounce that. Hydrating serum. What does this do? How much is this stuff? Alright, the palette, there's no price. Oh, the palette is valued at, is that $60? Like, am I seeing stuff? I got my glasses on. It says $60 for that little bitty thing. Somebody overvalued that. That's overvalued to the max. Alright, this here, how much did this go for? Alright, the skincare goes for $60. Alright, so we have the Cryo Activating Hydrogel. How much is this going for? $200. I'm going to use the max out of this. You think I ain't? $200? I'm going to get my money's worth. Which I didn't pay that much for it. I'm sure gonna use it, and this is what it looks like. And let's see, do you use this in the morning or at night? I'm gonna use it at night. The direction: apply small amount. This is in French. Like, how am I reading French? It says directions. Yeah, it's in English. It's variating between the two. Like, it says it for a little bit, and then it goes American, and then it goes French. Alright, American says apply in small circular motions, morning and night, at the cleansing skin and toning. Alright, I'm going to use this at night. Like I said, it's going to be used at night. Right? What else is in here? Here's one of the makeup bags. I think for level 2, for the price that I'm paying for level 2, my makeup bag needs to be better than this by all means. Like, way better than this by all means. Because I am paying more than a $12 makeup bag. And this pushed me in the mind of a $12 makeup subscription bag. I mean, I'm not level 3, but level 2, you could at least improve the bag by a whole lot. It's a cute bag, don't get me wrong. It just ain't for me. Not everything that's pretty is meant for Tasha. Alright, last but not least, we have the Tarte Stay Spray. And let's see how much they're saying this goes for. I feel like I'm missing something. Yeah, I am missing something. Alright, I got 2 things. I almost threw this out in the trash. So glad I heard the noise. Alright, for the Tarte setting spray, it goes for $26. And for this eyeliner here, it goes for $22. So altogether, everything is worth $120, and I paid $25, I do believe, for it. No, 20 with tax and everything, $27. Like, I'm one of those peoples. If I go in the store and it says that hamburger is $10, and yet I gotta pay tax on it, and it comes out to $12, I say I spent $12 because that's what I actually spent. I spent $12 on a hamburger. So even though this box goes for $25, altogether it came out to $27 and some change. So that's what I paid for this box. And so for paying for that box with the 27 and some change dollars, the whole box comes out to be worth $120. And that's not including the makeup bag. And I still can't get past, like, I'm having to read this twice. Like, I'm reading something wrong for this eyeshadow quad. And it says $60. It says it's $60. $60 for that? Like, are you for reals? They killing me with that one. Like, no, and I'm supposed to be really foo-foo and fall for that line, that makeup, that this here is worth $60. Because let's be truthful. Had they showed this to me, I would have told them hell no for this month, because it's not worth it. This is not $60. I would not ever go in the store and pay $60 for this here. This is a missed opportunity of open space where they could have filled it up with eyeshadow. Anyways, depends on when you're watching this. You have a good morning, good afternoon, or good night, and God bless. Bye.